So, why this rule and why now? Do we have a fraud problem in the United States regarding immigration benefits? Maybe. Hard to get data on this one. We know every year U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services processes hundreds of millions of applications, and they do detailed screening on every single one. So the latest stat I can pull was from 2023. They said they did 136 million screenings. That's a lot. Of those, how many cases are fraudulent? About 10,000. Small numbers. Small numbers. From that number, ICE investigates. Do they go into full criminal investigation? We're talking about 1,000 cases or less. I don't know. This seems like a lot. This is a historic change. This is giving administrative officers law enforcement capabilities and is blurring the line between ICE and USCIS. They always had separate functions. USCIS would review that paperwork. If there was a problem, ICE would then investigate that problem. Now we have an agency that is reviewing and enforcing the law. I don't know. What are these officers able to do now? Full federal arrest powers. They can arrest individuals that violate immigration laws. They can carry guns while on duty, execute search warrants to gather evidence at home. They can arrest, they can conduct surveillance and investigations. Here's one that's concerning to me. The USCIS director, the person that runs the office, is now able to do something called expedited removal. Now, this is not a new concept. Expedited removal dates back from the last update of the U.S. immigration law in 1996 that allowed people to be removed from the United States without due process if they're caught committing fraud or misrepresentation. Expedited removal says we've made this determination, generally happens at the borders. You've lied, you've misrepresented yourself, you said you were a U.S. citizen when you're not. Guess what? Goodbye. No lengthy court processing, no lawyers, no anything. Well, now they're letting USCIS make that determination at a high level.